Preparation for landing. Please make sure your seat back and tray tables are fully upright in that position. Place all carry-on luggage on the needed seat in front of you or down the head compartments. If you're using a portable electronic device, please turn them off and snow them. For those using in business class, we do actually retract the footrest and moving monitors, which will be landing shortly.
Good afternoon, Venezuela 516.
Venezuela 516, let's exit.
516.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. 500.
Aruba, where the local time is approximately 2:45. There is 1 hour time change here. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry-on items stored until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, use caution when opening the overhead bin to prevent injury, as items tend to shift during flight. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. If you need assistance with the baggage claim, ground transportation, the Delta agent needing this flight will be more than happy to assist you. On behalf of Delta and our Sky team and co-chair partners, thank you for flying with us. We have enjoyed having you on board today and look forward to serve you again soon. Thank you for your... Once again, thank you, have a great day and happy holidays.
Tower, Delta 716 is type Boeing 737 IFR. Inland Delta 716 is clear to Atlanta as filed. Y stream alignment maintained. Altitude 7,000. Request level change. Target departure frequency is 120.9er. Squawk 3433. Beatrix Tower, that is Orlana 301 is type Boeing 737 IFR. La Chinita, ready to copy. That is Orlana 301 is clear. La Chinita as filed. Y straight ahead. Alignment maintained.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices, but note that some items, such as phones, may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find a list of approved electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Are you okay sitting by the emergency exit?
If you're unable or prefer not to perform these functions, just let us know and we'd be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle or press the latch to release. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, you should keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. As we come through the cabin for our final safety checks, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Thanks for your attention. Enjoy your flight.
Tower, Delta 716, ready to go. Runway 11.